Every great idea begins with someone who dares to build it. Someone who looks at a complex system and sees possibility, not limitation. At ICP DAS USA, we believe in those people. The engineers, the system integrators, the innovators who turn challenges into solutions and ideas into impact. Our story began more than 2 decades ago with a simple mission: to make automation accessible, flexible, and open for everyone, not locked behind proprietary platforms or closed ecosystems. When ICP DAS USA opened its doors in 2001, industrial automation looked very different. Systems didn't communicate, hardware was often vendor locked, and building anything custom required time, complexity, and cost that held engineers back. We saw that fragmentation not as a problem, but as an opportunity. So we built technology that could bridge it. From the beginning, we committed to one principle that still defines us today. Our products work with any system, any brand, any protocol, and any generation. No lock-ins, no closed ecosystems, no forcing engineers to rebuild entire infrastructure just to move forward. Instead, we design flexible, modular, open automation building blocks that empower integrators to create exactly what they need. And today, you'll find those building blocks everywhere precision, reliability, and creativity come together. In data centers that keep the world online, in water systems that protect communities, in energy facilities powering cities, in factories shaping the future of how we live and work. But our story has never been about what we make. It's about what our partners make possible. They design smarter cities. They modernize infrastructure. They build systems that conserve resources, protect the environment, and connect industries. And throughout that journey, we stand beside them, providing the hardware, the technology, the engineering support, and the expertise that transform ideas into reality. Because innovation doesn't happen in isolation. It happens when knowledge meets trust, when technology meets purpose, and when people with big ideas have the tools to bring them to life. At ICP DAS USA, we create technology that helps engineers dream bigger, work smarter, and build with confidence. This is ICP DAS USA.